Want a Stream Deck but don't have any budget? Say no more. I'll show you how to use your smartphone or tablet as your Stream Deck. First, open your PC and go to Microsoft Store. You can search Elgato Stream Deck on the search bar. Once there, click Install. While this one is installing, grab your phone or iPad. For me, I will use iPad for this tutorial. So open the App Store and search Elgato Stream Deck Mobile in your App Store or Play Store and click Download. And now, let's open the application on our PC. Once open, grab your phone and open the application on your iPhone. On your phone, start the setup, tap Get Started, and continue. You can connect using wired or wireless. For me, I'll use wireless for this. So make sure your phone and PC are connected to the same Wi-Fi. You should see your PC name appear on your device. If not, you can connect using QR code. A code will pop up. Just confirm it on your PC by clicking Trust and you're connected. Once connected, you'll notice you'll only have 6 buttons available. That's because it's the free version, but it's enough to get started. If you want more buttons, you can unlock them with subscription, as you can see here. To make the layout more cleaner, click the settings, click layout, and choose 3x2. As you can see, it's much cleaner than before. Now let's customize some buttons using your PC. So for me, I will change 2 buttons for my Stream Deck. So I will delete these 2 links and add a new links. So I will add Facebook and TikTok links. So to remove a button, just right click on the button that you want to delete and click delete. This will show and just click delete. On this side, you can see all of the buttons that you can add in your Stream Deck. There is this open application, open, hotkey, etc. So for me, I will use website. So just click and hold and drag it to the empty button. So you can put a title here, but I will not put on mine because I want it to look cleaner. So here is the URL. Put here the website that you want it to go. So I will put your facebook.com. And then here, you can choose which browser you want it to be open. I will choose Microsoft Edge. And as you can see, the logo is automatically created. Now I'll do the same here, but I will add TikTok. Now let's try if the button is working. So here, as you can see, it will change automatically also in your phone or tablet. Now let's try TikTok button. As you can see, it's working. So guys, that's it. You just turn your phone into a Stream Deck without spending anything. And also, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment if you have any questions. More videos like this coming soon. Thank you for watching.